Greetings everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you a new cooking product from a Home Plus store called the PEEK8 Premium Non-Stick Cookware. These premium non-stick cookware are some of the best cookware available. They are durable and can be used for a long time, easy to clean, and stain-free. The design of this premium non-stick cookware range is inspired by professional kitchens. Each pan features 3 layers of non-stick metal which provides a durable and long-lasting surface. With a hard anodized body, the 3-layer coating is reinforced, providing even heat distribution, reducing hot spots, and preventing transfer of flavors in food. Integrated ergonomic handles make the tool even more comfortable to use. As part of my test, I'm going to make an omelet without any oil. I need 3 eggs, a tomato, and pepper. We will pour the egg mixture, then add tomatoes and pepper, then add salt and cumin. As you can see, the eggs did not stick to the pan. The next step is to prepare a Moroccan Tagine. The ingredients we will need are beef, potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, onions, olives, and lemons. To begin it, we add a little olive oil, then add meat and onions, then add turmeric, paprika, cumin, salt, and coriander. Toss the ingredients, then add tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, olives, lemon, pepper, and coriander. A cup of water is added after a few moments, and we cover it and let it simmer. Our result is a good smell. As we pour it into the dish, you will notice that nothing is sticking to the pot. Thanks for watching.